Hi, I assume that you have registered on Blockgum Dashboard. Once you come on here, you can go to the Manage Server and click on Add Server. In here, you can type like your exchange name or maybe your project name. So my name is Geo Project, and in here you would need to paste the server key that you received while the Blockgum installation. So my server key is something like this, so I'm going to paste it in here and click on add server info. It will add your server information in here. Next you can do is to need to buy a plan. So what you can do, come up in here and make a deposit using either cryptocurrencies or using credit card. Once I have deposited, my balance will reflect in here. So say it's like $80 right now. I'll just click on the buy now and click buy now again. I'll have an active order here, and it's saying waiting for license. So I will click on activate. From here, I'll select my project name, server name, and click activate the license. And from details, I can copy the license. This is my license key, and I can paste it on the Blockgum installation. Thank you.